Hello, I'm Melissa Shoemate, and this is my instruction blueprint for EID 660, an immersive AR/VR training module that teaches new managed care service coordinators how to coordinate private duty nursing for children. Let's walk through the design. To start, we will explore the following topics: lesson overview, design foundations, lesson structure, immersive design, interaction, and instructional flow and support. Lesson overview. The module is called a hybrid AR/VR instructional model for teaching pediatric private duty nursing. The presentation is tailored for newly hired RN service coordinators. Focus on understanding needs specific to a Texas managed care organization, providing insights for effective service coordination and enhancing role effectiveness. The module is a hybrid AR/VR experience lasting 30 minutes, with self-paced learning enhancing flexibility, structured VR onboarding for seamless introduction, and comprehensive VR offboarding to reinforce the skills learned. By the end of this module, our goal is that learners can do 4 things. Explain PDN service coordination and eligibility. Assess a member's needs from chart evidence and a virtual home visit. Determine and justify medically necessary hours. And communicate the plan to families in plain language. Design foundations. Alignment with learning theories. Engage with VR scenarios to practically apply PDN specifications, moving beyond policy readings. Experience Kolb's cycle through VR for reflection and application. Manage cognitive load by separating lessons and practice. Include diverse methods to support all learners. 10-scene learner journey. Structuring lessons effectively. The learner journey consists of 10 scenes, starting from onboarding to wrap-up. Onboarding sets foundational expectations. Obtain VR authorization for virtual access. Engage in an AI conversation with parents. Use the virtual MCO hub for resources. Complete a 360-degree home visit to understand needs. Immersive design. Platform. DelightX. DelightX offers interactive educational tools with drag-and-drop 3D scenes and 360-degree photos. It utilizes CoBlock's visual coding for creating scenarios and runs on browsers and tablets, no VR headset required. Advancing education through learner engagement. Interact with 3D space to enhance navigation skills. Flag evidence during module activities to highlight key information. Make scoring decisions and revise outcomes. Engage in AI conversation rehearsals to practice dialogue skills. Support is built in at every step. Narrator and preceptor prompts, a one-page job aid, a glossary, a hint button that never gives away the answer, and instant feedback after every practice item. What worked and one fix. Assessment integration. The AI parent conversation serves as a formative assessment mid-course. Explain the private duty nursing process clearly. Communicate effectively with families to keep them informed. Provide feedback on strengths and areas for improvement immediately. The PDN coordination plan is a summative assessment component. Conduct a needs assessment to document specific requirements. Include the rationale behind the authorization decision made for the process. Ensure family communication elements are incorporated throughout the process. Materials and recommendations, strategic guidance, and future actions. Recommendations include offering alternatives for sensory sensitivity and piloting the module for feedback. Pilot the curriculum to determine the appropriate pacing. Consider SME review for expert insights. Evaluate pilot results for potential scaling. Utilizing Kolb's experiential learning, gain practical skills through hands-on experiences. Incorporate universal design for learning guidelines for accessibility and inclusivity. Leverage VR research in nursing education to enhance learning outcomes. The summative assessment is the PDN Coordination Plan for MIA, a needs assessment demonstrating medical necessity, an authorization decision with rationale, and a family communication plan. These will be scored against a rubric given out ahead of time. Every learning outcome is checked by at least one assessment. As we come to the end of this session, we've explored a hybrid AR/VR experience teaching pediatric private duty nursing, enhancing skills in coordination, assessment, and communication. Leveraging AI for assessments and incorporating experiential learning principles, you'll confidently implement effective PDN strategies.